Howdy folks, going back to you. I'm going to show you how to clean something up safely. See all of that? That's overdone, but I overdid it on purpose. Everybody knows what that is. And that thing is loaded with filings or grindings. And it's a permanent magnet. I'm going to show you how simple and how easy it is to do that. First things first, PPE. Do not do this stuff without it. And you want the one that got the pliable rubber that goes up against your skin. And you want gloves. And what you need is a welder's wire brush. You want to hold that thing up like this, and you want to do glancing blows, just following through, okay, right across this thing. See that much of it's gone? See that much of it's gone? So I'm not rubbing it, I'm slinging it. Get down in where the nut is. Now, that's clean. I'm not scrubbing it back and forth, I'm slinging it, picking it up and throwing it out. And the more of that stuff you got off, the better connection you've got, and it'll hold a lot tighter. So when you put your torch in it, it doesn't fall over. I mean, that's the whole idea behind it. I'm going to do a little series of videos right here in this burning table, but I wanted to show y'all that. So y'all like and subscribe, hit the bell, make comments, and this general, I'm out.